This year, for the first time, ABI Elecronics invited customers from around the world operating in different sectors to participate in an online satisfaction survey. Here's what they had to say. When asked about how they would rate the performance of their ABI products, 88% said the performance was either good or very good. 70% of the respondents said that ABI products are easy or very easy to use. 7 in 10 of existing customers rated the return on the investment made acquiring products from ABI as good or excellent. 88% confirmed that the ABI products were responsible for a high or very high increase in their test and repair efficiency. When asked about ABI's technical and commercial support, 9 in 10 customers rated the ongoing support received from ABI as good or excellent. Finally, 94% said that they would recommend ABI products to their work connections and colleagues. We would like to thank all the international government and private organizations for taking part in the survey. To get in touch with ABI, visit abielectronics.co.uk or email inquiry to sales@abielectronics.co.uk.